Okobo Fans Day. Okobo Fans Day. Okobo House of Entertainment.
People, this one now Okobo Day will not make us stay here live and direct. We never waste time since MC na live.
Nothing live.
How you tell the last time you laugh?
Oh, work on that.
That's so we go to do one today. As you see also, even Madam Adelina, they did the ass. Moko walk us straight.
Man, you are watching House of Okobo live and direct. Are you there? We are here with our chairman. We want to ask some kind of your question. We have our leaders in Benin City, Edo State. Let's watch. Daddy was talking Benin. Today is Okobo Day, so we just the ask Baba Laobo. You only anywhere.
Where? My name is Victor Elobaka, aka Junior Atipa. Okobo is a nice guy. Since Okobo started arty drama, he's one of the best of this state. So anytime anybody, Okobo is one of the best. From here to Lagos, Warri, Ibadan, Okobo is #1. I love him very much.
Hi, why I say, una dey hear wetin dey sup now? Oh, my brother. So we are in the street walking. We just interview people. Today is Okobo Day live and direct. We are going to be watching it live in YouTube. Okobo House of Entertainment. That's what we're going to do tonight. We still have a lot of people to interview tonight. That's why we dey Upper Sakomba now. We dey go. Please, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to know your name. Your name.
My name is Anwasedo Kelly.
Okay. Today, Anwasedo Kelly. Bros, how you see Okobo? Because na very popular comedian. When everybody know. I beg, how you see him?
I see him as a very good actor. He knows how to act very well. And he's the kind of person that when I'm watching his movie, maybe you are sorrowful, automatically his art will remove the present stage that you are, will remove it from your face or from your mind. You feel happy.
Yeah, thank you, bro, sir. You really try for that, but at the time, you get any vex if you give them. Maybe some kind of place when they lack all those kind of stuff, you're giving any little vex.
For me, all I would say is that he should keep it off.
Yeah.
And one day God will get him from his present state to art desire.
Alright, can you just one word for me? Just one word.
Okobo, you too much.
Gentlemen, we are in Oka Market. Oka Market now we dey so we get our iye wa gbe marema no wa tamima de no wa re mi o e ko yi dey wa tie ni we you dey hear am Mrs. Rosalie Osaga look at one get from wa mi o e
let's go na te exam ai de ko no ya te mo se already I'm normal. Keke abi agogo, abi dami o. E wa ko bo we o em no.
Ye we wata na ga we wata na.
Na ya mi right then.
Oh ye.
Na ga gbe mo. No.
We say ye ni wata. Ye o me abasi wan.
Na gbo ama e. E no mo gwe o ma ya ri bai. If no ka boda ise.
Confirm, where say ye? Nuke swange drama kobo. Wa mi o don ma.
Wa ma o.
Wa ma. Where say
Wami Okobo
Okobo. Area Moka Jena. Okobo no ato ye makiena. Okiene maki ori mi ameye gbere. Oyo ma so ye megbe. Ma wa ge drama Okobo na ma ya wa dile gboto we pa no. Ma o no wore gbe ye. No wore gbe awe kaka bolu ma wore gbe adie.
Okobo Fans Day. Okobo Fans Day. Okobo House of Entertainment.
Baba ye. Okobo Ima Dairi. Okobo Okapano. Yes. Ima wa no case one get drama ge. Do moje
Gano better okay we also. Only on Waubo. Emi also. Auna, ana Okobo.
Yeah. But to like the
He like it. Eti mal oyamake.
Okay.
Oyamake katapot.
We see. O many abesi no awari ne no wa ho me ki ojina na wari abesi. Wow.
Yari ne. Waka mere kapa we also oni.
But emi ozo le yari bai.
Oh boy, yari ba, kono yari ba.
O we na dey so agbiyan.
Oh, we kere I don't go be akabo awe.
Guy, me ma ya dey man na ozo ma yako.
Agbo me also.
Not because I'm fan, I will get here so. So we just want to ask you, since when you started to watch Okobo drama, how you see him? Yes.
Okobo Fans Day. Okobo Fans Day. Okobo House of Entertainment.
We just get some few questions we want to ask. So, what will be your name?
DJ Liberty.
Oh, DJ Liberty, live and direct in Okobo House of Entertainment. Since when you dey watch this guy movie, how you see him?
He's a great entertainer. He's a great entertainer. I pray for him to move up to the higher level as in Nollywood.
Okay.
I see him moving up to that level. He's a great entertainer.
Thank you.
The delay is too small for him. I need him to go far apart.
Thank you very much.
Okobo Fans Day. Okobo Fans Day. Okobo House of Entertainment.
Live Okobo House of Entertainment. I have another big brother in the house. Bros, what be your name?
My name is Solomon.
Okay, Solomon. Since when you dey watch Okobo movie, what do you see about this Okobo?
Okobo na crazy actor na. He get good. At least I would say he's a mentor. To me, definitely. And I dey like the movie because if I dey see him, I dey see this man who met Bishop Okobo. Bad guy. So I like to be like Okobo.
So I could like you to just give a word of advice, just a little word of advice to Okobo.
I want Okobo to be more definitely like seriously about his career because it's going to make him a bigger boom. Like definitely he's going to be the biggest star in Edo State.
Thank you, bro. So too much. Bro, chop noko. Put up a man.
Okobo Fans Day. Okobo Fans Day. Okobo House of Entertainment.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are here in live Afuwa Junction. Hey, my give Jana, my brother, my sister. Right now, right away, we are here with Marek in CMA production. Maremanana, bros, we are talking. Today is Okobo Day, so I just want you to throw some light about Okobo.
Thank you very much. This is wonderful. Okobo Day, as you said, CM Entertainment is speaking to you. As far as I'm concerned, Okobo will never end up surprising you particularly. Okobo started as if it was a play, it was just a dream, but today is the reality. As you can see, Okobo is a kind of person, let me describe him, that can wake you up from sleep and started, without making attempt to laugh, you start smiling and laughing. So when you say Okobo Day, today is Okobo Day.
Okobo Fans Day. Okobo Fans Day. Okobo House of Entertainment.
Today is Okobo Day. Right now, right away, I deal with Okobo live and direct. I want the interviewer make I hear many things we go share. Daddy, you are talking. Hey, welcome. Today na your day, and that's why I want to ask you why would they celebrate today as your day? But Daddy, they ask us.
Okay, now me you ask question. Yeah, I be forget myself. Today na my day. The day when they born me, I no see him. They waiting make my life change like this. Why I don't know. So today na night to discover say I reach out for my family. Now me say make everybody they celebrate me. Say I dey alive, Mumu no give me, and I don't use Mumu. I don't marry Mumu wife. I marry, I born Mumu children, and I get Mumu friends. No, I say me that in fact I'm mobilizing my life. I try to utilize all my.
He don't do.
The thing be why people make me cry.
No, not cry. He don't do.
I want to go. You get anything where you want to ask me again?
I just want to make you thank your people, your fans. You get anything where you tell your fans?
Okay. All my fans, I calculate all of you now. All of them is so vibratical and lubok. And I want all my friends, Lukutik and Lusabu, and I monopolize all of them.
Don't do. I hear something, Lukubios, Lukabus, and Kulibios.
Yes, and Labok.
What is the meaning of the Labok?
Okay, all those one are best in way be Mumu, and I go feel understand that language now. People like my type and they are not get your head go for the head. I go feel understand that language.
You are understanding me?
Yes.
Okay. I hear say your life of stay, it don't come out life of stay.
You not talk lie. I released one latest one. Okobo and Mogopak. Where we go to for inside bush. Okobo, that one just a localize for market now. It's Babastas in the market and Bolastas in the market. If you go and totalize your own, yes. Everything is so better. And it's so mula. It's the Baku. The life was saying fertilize it. And we are trying to alkalize it. And I try to brutalize it. And I try to localize it. And powerlize it. And I'm going to mobilize and tagalize.
Okobo Fans Day. Okobo Fans Day. Okobo House of Entertainment.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are watching Okobo House of Entertainment live and direct. Right now, right away, we are with our brother here. Our brother comes from far away, Obodo, Nigeria. Now he for come. Very far. Bros, the one way you call Nigeria, come great also. I hear say Okobo na your dad friend. Very good one. Yes.
Okobo is my close friend. Yeah. So he's my close friend. So I know him for a long time ago, many years ago. So and I love the way he's doing his job. You know, we Nigeria people, at least sometimes we need funny things. Sometimes, you know. So the way the guy is doing the job, in fact, I'm very okay. Understand? So I love him. I love the way he do things.
Thank you, bros. This Okobo so we'll be talking about. Sometimes you just say that man normal.
Well, normally it's very normal. You know, everybody have his way. Understand? So you may have your own title to have your own fans. Understand? So it's very normal. He's a normal guy. He's my friend. You know, it's somebody that is not normal. When you call him, the way we approach you, you know that he's not normal. He's very normal. He's a title. I love his way. Okobo 1. Yeah. You are too much.
So I just wanted to use one word. I hear now say he don't shot one Monshal title.
And I love that title. Adolo of Ghana. I love that title is very interesting, you know. I love that title.
So I just want you to give one advice to Okobo.
Yeah, so the advice I have for Okobo, my friends, my fans, our MC, international artists, only one advice I have for him is you have to keep on whatever you are doing. Don't listen to people. Put more effort. No matter what people are saying about you. You know, some people might be saying this guy is not normal. It's very normal. When you come close to somebody, you know if it is normal or not. This guy is very normal. No, Okobo 1, aka Adolo of Ghana.
Yeah.
I love you guys.
Bros, it's too much. Bros, chop no go. Put down for mat. It's too much, bros.
Okobo Fans Day. Okobo Fans Day. Okobo House of Entertainment.
Anywhere, Baba.
My next.
Baba, Mawaheme, Okobo. Okobo na onoma. Oh, why we me ozu of the drama? Onoma, we show it big night.
We have prepared. We are back. Mini have prepared only. Okay. Artist in a way, maybe no ya. I am ma.
I tell you, Baba, you don't know man.
Oh no man, oh artist no.
Hey, Baba, no man.
Oh no man. Oh yeah, go. When okay, Baba me take me way there.
Atwe gbewu nu ani better get say no ya sack.
Oh no man, me ma wa gi na ya wa gi sack. No man you must be.
Okay, Okobo amade ya fo.
Okobo Fans Day. Okobo Fans Day. Okobo House of Entertainment.
Omo Baba, where now Okobo Day. So, ima nowhere. Okobo, we me ozu. We show him now Onoma.
Onoma just our way to cash from.
Okay. It's alright. Many advice in one year.
What do you continue because you will get,
yes.
You need to laugh. So not where you also are get.
Yeah.
So what do you know?
Okay, Baba. Baba, what anywhere, Baba?
Mr. Friday Baze.
Okay. Domo Baba, where see?
Okobo Fans Day. Okobo Fans Day. Okobo House of Entertainment.
We don't pass Benin, we don't go Lagos, we don't go Abuja, we dey everywhere gidigba. And the main man we dey talk about today na Okobo. If you know say you love Okobo, not knock am. If you know say you love am, shop no, shop am. I'm going to argue.
Okobo Fans Day. Okobo Fans Day. Okobo House of Entertainment.
Other women no man. Moria dollar of Ghana. Other women you see.
Benu ni okunba okunli. Osaloba atowe mu. Osaloba mo bottom mu.
Babala.
Asala nu we wa be je na my brother mi nu go wa dey we asota. Wo fa nu muri agbon ope kan mi ko kawe mi ko we. Osaloba dey ba we. Oge nu da ye na baba o se we sota.
Okobo Fans Day. Okobo Fans Day. Okobo House of Entertainment.
So I be Okobo girl. As my oga head not correct. Now some I see correct. So that's woman marry me. Now no me say they don't marry me. As my oga head not correct. Some I see B. So this on Okobo Day we are celebrating our great master today. I'm so happy. Thank you very much.
Okobo Fans Day. Okobo Fans Day. Okobo House of Entertainment.